Entrepreneurship through acquisition can engage next gens in a family office setting in a variety of ways. For starters, entrepreneurship through acquisition tends to be a young person's game by the numbers. Individuals who are searching for, acquiring, and then running companies in this traditional ETA searcher path tend to be on the younger side, period. Secondly, ETA in family offices is a great way for next gens to imagine themselves in different paths or even to try it on for size if they're doing the searching, acquiring, and running themselves. So it's a way to pass on that entrepreneurial flame from one generation to another, albeit potentially in a different sector and certainly in a different company. And finally, ETA and family offices, whether up close, a next gen doing the searching themselves, or kind of more at arm's length where the family office is investing in a fund, is an amazing way for next gens to learn about a particular sector or industry, just sitting around the table, hearing the discussion, thinking about whether this is a right investment to pursue or a wrong investment to pursue, much like one would learn from investing in another type of investment. But because of the nature of this, acquiring a whole company, one might get a little bit of a different look into it versus buying shares in a different type of company or a fund.